Hello and welcome to See Connie's Chinese. And we thank you guys for your support and everything. Chinese will say 谢谢. 谢谢 means thank you. Thank you for always watching my video. Okay, for the benefits of everyone watching, I will speak the Chinese language, then I will interpret into English and Chi. Okay, so you hear Chinese, English, and Chi. Remarkable about See Connie's Chinese. So, Madam Yana Sabribia Mosham video no, Muniho, Miniho, Intimidamasi Bebre. Now, Mr. say, so sure, no watch a video not come out of Guadam for below, so I became winning in a idea. Now, I feel so no, or subscribe to my channel, no, See Connie's Chinese, or YouTube, or search here, See Connie's Chinese, or YouTube, or subscribe. Oh, yes, so me, I don't mind one channel, I don't mind you ready and say, I be behind the video from a tour. What me I don't mind some quad there and the video for about so Sabeka no became honey in bomni a sia dear. Now, I so no, why drink children? I say, won't be BSC, I'll bet me a review comment or down honor be any and meet me at church, Mona FFF, Entino, and nay a baby sia dear afa. A year body parts, ye besia the alpha body parts. Ye decay SUB, the baby as see a drew near part 4. And to say 1, 2, 3 in a one suya. And then Miss Robin Peso Beckage in Bessin in a cobom to the obey say Obaka See Connie's Chinese or YouTube. Now, what's a 2 year, no share part 1, 2, 3, and also I can home said a bear, Bibia, a bear, come. Okay, so guys, now we are still on body parts in Chinese. Okay, we are going to look at body parts in Chinese. This is the part 4. This is part 4 of the body parts. Okay, so I've already uploaded part 1 to 3 on YouTube. Just search by my name, See Connie's Chinese. Search by See Connie's Chinese on YouTube. Then you subscribe. And also click on the notification bell for updates. And also please try to share the video with your friends and loved ones, okay? And also leave your comment below if you have any question or any suggestion. Okay, so we are on body parts. And this that we are going to learn now, we are not going to use any book for now. No book for now, okay? So now we are going to use our own body, okay? Use our own body to learn. So for now, no book, okay? So are you ready? Please take your pen and your paper to write something down because I'll be asking you some questions, okay? So you need a book and a pen to write something down. Okay, I've already told you I'm not going to use a book for now. Okay, so we are going to do it together. Okay, are you ready? Jumbe halama. If I say Jumbe halama, it means are you ready? Then you say Jumbe hala. Jumbe hala means ready. Okay, so now let's go. Jumbe halama. Jumbe hala. That's good. Jumbe hala. Okay, now let's begin. Okay, my last video we learned about how to say face, hands. We also learned about foot, how to say foot in Chinese. And we also learned about how to say leg in Chinese, okay? So you can watch those videos after this, okay? On YouTube, See Connie's Chinese. Okay, so now let's begin. The first one that we are going to look at for now is, what's this? Can you see? What's this? Oh, shoulder. Okay, so now let's see how to say shoulder in Chinese, okay? So no book for now. So you look at my mouth, okay? Then we read together, okay? So please read after me. Let's see how to say shoulder in Chinese, okay? Jian bang. Jian bang. Jian bang. Jianbang. Very good. Jianbang means shoulder, okay? So if you want to say shoulder in Chinese, how would you say it? Jianbang. Very good. Jianbang means shoulder. Jianbang, shoulder. Okay, so person can say be a shoulder or Chinese customer can say Jianbang. Jianbang means shoulder. Jianbang. Okay, so jianbang in Chinese, shoulder in Chinese is jianbang. Okay, the next one that we're going to look at is, what is this? Oh, okay, neck, neck. Very good, neck. Okay, so now let's see how to say neck in Chinese. Okay, please read after me. 脖子，脖子，脖子，脖子. Very good. 脖子 means neck. Okay, so if you want to say neck in Chinese, how would you say it? 脖子. 脖子 means neck. 脖子 means neck. Okay, so now we are going to begin. Start from the first one. Okay, shoulder and neck. Okay, so now let's go. 肩膀，脖子，肩膀，脖子，肩膀，脖子，肩膀，脖子. Okay, so now I'm going to point at it. Okay, if I point here, you have to read 脖子. If I point at my shoulder, you have to say what? 肩膀. Okay, are you ready? Go. Okay, now let's go. Let's begin. You have to look at me. Okay. Very good. I heard someone say 脖子. 脖子 means neck. Very good. That's great. Mwah. Okay. The next one, you have to look at me, okay? Very good. Someone also said 肩膀. That's great. That's great, okay? 肩膀脖子, 肩膀脖子. Okay, very good. So now let's move on to the next one. The next one that we're going to look at is, what is this? Okay, arm. Arm. Okay, so let's see how to say arm in Chinese. Arm. Okay, so please read after me. 胳膊，胳膊，胳膊，胳膊. Very good. 胳膊 means arm. 胳膊 means arm. Okay, so if you want to say arm in Chinese, you say what? 胳膊. 胳膊 means arm. Okay, now for now we have learned how many? 1, 2, 3. Do you still remember them? Do you still remember them, the 3? Okay, so we are going to start from here to here. Okay. Jumbe halma. Jumbe hala. Okay, so now let's begin. Please read after me, okay? We are going to begin for the last time, okay? 肩膀，脖子，胳膊，肩膀，脖子，胳膊. Very good. So now it's your turn. Okay, so if I point at here, you are going to say what? 肩膀. If I point here, how would you say it? 脖子. If I point here, how would you say it? Okay. 胳膊. Okay, now let's go. Are you ready? Jumbe hala. Okay, so now let's go. 胳膊. Okay, sorry, there was a bad connection here. Okay, so now let's go. 肩膀，脖子，胳膊，肩膀，脖子，胳膊，肩膀，脖子，胳膊. Very good. Okay, so shoulder, neck, and arm. 肩膀，脖子，胳膊. Okay, let's move on to the next one. We have the next one here. Who can guess? Who can guess what's next? Okay, so the next one that we are going to look at is knee. Okay, your knee. Okay, I can't stand up. Let me see if I can stand up. Ayo, knee. Look at me. Knee. Knee. Okay, very good. And there is bad connection here. Okay, sorry, bad connection today. Okay, so we are looking at knee. Knee. Okay, so if you want to say knee in Chinese, how would you say it? Okay, please read after me. 膝盖，膝盖，膝盖. Okay, so 膝盖 means knee. 膝盖 means knee. Okay, so if you want to say knee in Chinese, how would you say it? 膝盖. 膝盖 means knee. Okay, I'm sitting down, so I can't raise my knee for you to see, but you know knee, right? Okay, so knee in Chinese is what? 膝盖. 膝盖. Okay, so now let's go. 肩膀，脖子，胳膊, and knee. How to say it? 膝盖, 膝盖. Very good. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next one that we have here, okay, wait, please wait. Before I move on to the next one, kindly share this video for me, okay? Please, please share this video for me. Please share the video with your friends, okay? Let someone also join this lesson, okay? So let's move on to the next one. Thank you for doing that. The next one that we are going to look at is belly, okay? Belly. Ooh. Okay, so now let's see how to say belly in Chinese, okay? Please read after me, okay? Look at my mouth, okay? 肚子 Okay, 肚子 means belly, okay? So if you want to say belly in Chinese, how would you say it? 肚子 means belly. 肚子 means belly. Oh, wow, we have learned 5. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, do you still remember them? We have learned 5. Can you remember them? Okay, let's go over again. Okay, so now let's begin. 肩膀 脖子 胳膊 and knee. How to say knee? 膝盖. How about belly? 肚子. Okay, very good. Okay, so now we are going to look at how to say this is my shoulder, this is my neck, this is my knee in Chinese, okay? So now let's begin. We are going to look at how to say this is my shoulder in Chinese, okay? 准备好了吗？准备好了。Okay, now let's begin. Okay, please read after me. 这是我的肩膀，这是我的肩膀。One more time. 这是我的肩膀。Very good. 这是我的肩膀。这是我的肩膀 means this is my shoulder. This is my shoulder in Chinese. 这是我的肩膀。这是我的肩膀. This is my shoulder. Maybe a person can say, oh, this is my shoulder. This is my shoulder. In Chinese, we can say, 这是我的肩膀。这是我的肩膀 means this is my shoulder. Okay, let's move on to the next one. How would you say, this is my neck in Chinese? Let's see it together. Let's read it together, okay? Okay, 脖子 means neck. Okay, so let's see how to say this is my neck in Chinese. Okay, 这是我的脖子. Very good. One more time. Let's go. 这是我的脖子. 这是我的脖子 means this is my neck. This is my neck. Okay. 这是我的脖子. Okay. This is my neck. Okay. The next one that we are going to look at is this is my arm. This is my arm in Chinese. Okay. So now let's go. 这是我的胳膊. Wow. This is my arm. Okay. Let's go one more time. 这是我的胳膊. 这是我的胳膊 means this is my arm. This is my arm. 这是我的胳膊. The next one. Okay, now let's see how to say this is my knee in Chinese. How would I do the knee? I'm sitting down. My knee. Okay, so this is my knee. Can you see? Okay, so now let's do it together. 这是我的膝盖。这是我的膝盖. Okay, very good. 这是我的膝盖 means this is my knee. This is my knee. 这是我的膝盖. 这是我的膝盖. Please share the video for me. I beg you. Please share for me. Thank you. Okay, let's move on to the next one. The next one that we are going to look at is, this is my belly. This is my belly. I'm going to show my belly. This is my belly. Oh, so big. Okay, so now let's see how to say this is my belly in Chinese. Okay, so belly in Chinese is what? Dudes. Okay, so now let's go. 这是我的肚子。这是我的肚子。这是我的肚子 means this is my belly. This is my belly in Chinese is what? 这是我的肚子。这是我的肚子。Okay, now it's time for questions. Are you ready? 准备好了吗？准备好了。Okay, my first question is, how would you say arm in Chinese? Can you still remember? How would you say arm in Chinese? Okay, so now you are going to say it. Okay, I'll listen to you. Okay, I want to hear from you, so you have to speak loudly. Okay. Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, I heard someone saying gobble. That's great. Gobble means arm. Gobble, arm. That's great. 很棒. Okay, my next question. How would you say knee in Chinese? How would you say knee in Chinese? Okay, E, R, 3, go. Okay, very good. Someone said she guy. Wow, that's great. Okay, so she guy means knee. She guy means knee. And the next question, how would you say this is my shoulder in Chinese? Okay, how would you say this is my shoulder in Chinese? Who can try? Okay, now you're going to say it. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 开始。Okay. Wow, say. Okay, someone just said that. 这是我的肩膀。这是我的肩膀 means this is my shoulder. This is my shoulder. 这是我的肩膀. Okay, guys, thank you very much for watching. Please share this video for me. Please share for me. And see you in my next video. My next video will be on colors in Chinese. So see you there. And also watch my video on YouTube. Said by the